What's up, guys? Today I want to do a tutorial on how to program and all these things. Like, I want you to learn Python and all this stuff. So this is going to be the first video, and in this first video I will just explain how to install Python, how to install VSCode, which is the text editor that we are going to use. And yeah, nothing else. First of all, I want to present myself. My name is Kevin. I'm from Spain. I will try my best to give to speak with the best possible pronunciation I can, so you can understand me perfectly. But yeah, this is what I will show you. One thing I would like to mention is that I have a website in which I am selling documents talking about trading, cryptocurrencies, and all this stuff. I made this website because I realized that there are a lot of courses on internet which are very expensive. Like maybe for 2 days you have to pay $2,000 or things like that. So I decided to make something cheaper and something valuable. So I encourage you to go to my website, and if you have any interests on any subject of that type, you can just buy one of my documents, which is very cheap. The the most expensive item I have on the website is like 10 euros, which is like $12 or something like that. So yeah, if you are interested on that, I encourage you to go to my website. Okay guys, so as you can see, now we are in the web page of Visual Studio, and we just simply have to click here, download for Windows. This window will appear, and we just have to wait. Once it is downloaded, we just have to click accept, next. I mean that if you want to install it in another place, that's okay, like that's totally okay. But if you want to install it here, you just have to do this. Next. Sorry because this is in Spanish, but you don't have to worry because you don't really need to understand anything that it's saying here. It's pretty simple, just next, and that's it. Okay, so now Visual Studio is installed, and we just have to click here and it will open for us. As you can see, we have it here, but we are not going to do anything now. I will put it like this because it's like the way I like it. Okay, so we just simply now have to install Python, which is very simple. We can install it in a lot of ways, but the most simple one is just come here, Python, welcome to Python, download Python 3.9.6, and that's it. Or even more simple, if we go to the Microsoft Store, in Spanish, yeah, Microsoft Store. Here we can also search for Python, and yeah, this simple. You then click here, get. Okay, now you press install. And yeah, that's it. Now it's downloading and you just have to wait. You don't have to do anything else. So okay, I hope that this was helpful. And yeah, now you can enjoy Python, and see you in the next video.
Listen. Damn, Sosa. You going crazy. Rest in peace, Pop. Quédate tranquilo, 666. Estoy bajando, todo lo siento. Te quedas en nota. Rest in peace, Pop. Quédate tranquilo, 666. Y lo estoy.
Listen.